So this is how you can create a robot with the gravity, as well as you can make that robot to jump. So I have created a player sprite, which is the robot, and there is a ground sprite, which is simple rectangle, this one. And I have used or rearranged these rectangular sprites, which is a ground sprite, in a way that it forms a staircase. Now, when I press the left and right arrow keys, the robot or the player moves in the right or left direction because of this condition. Key down left, key down right. To create a code where the robot jumps, when I press the space bar key, I have used key went down because I don't want the robot to jump continuously even if I hold the space key down continuously. I want it to jump only once, and hence I have used key went down. That's the difference between key went down and key down. Now, this code, player velocity y is equal to 5, is to assign gravity to this player sprite. So y velocity is positive, which means y is towards the downward direction. And if the velocity is negative, then the y value will keep on decreasing, which is nothing but the upward direction. So here, when I press the spacebar key, I want the player to jump. So the jumps are going to be minus 50, that is in the upward direction. But I want the player to come down as soon as it jumps because of the gravity, and that velocity is of 5. Now, when the player comes down, I don't want it to continuously fall down, but stop whenever there is a staircase or whenever there is a ground. And that's why I have used the collide code blocks. Player collide ground 1, 2, 3. So let's see if this code works the way we want it to. This is how the player will move towards right and left, and it's jumping and it will collide with the staircase. And you can also make it climb the staircase. You can decide the length of the jump or the height of the jump by changing these numbers, velocity y. So if you increase this number, then let's see what happens. The jump is at a little lesser height because now the result of your jump is nothing but the addition of the y velocities. So minus 50 plus 10 is nothing but minus 40. So your robot will jump only 40 places or pixels towards the upward direction because that's minus y. So that is the end result of your height. And if you reduce the y velocity of gravity, then let's see what happens. It's taking more time to fall down, right? Because now your velocity y is very less in the downward direction, but more in the upward direction. So it will jump faster, where it will take a lot of time to come down. So you have to find the right balance of this combination. You can also try changing this number and see how it impacts the jump of your sprite.